Okay, is the sound ready for the concert number, Fozzie?
Huh?
Is sound ready?
I can't hear you. I'm checking the sound.
Sounds good to me.
What does?
The sound! Sounds good to me.
Don't worry about it. I'm still working on it. It'll sound good to you when you need the good sound.
Good.
What?
Good!
Sounds ready!
Blow your boat. You gotta restrain. Hold tight.
What is discovery?
Thank you, guys.
This is all I wouldn't mind this show. I think I might come back and do it again.
I just want to say one thing before I go. I'm going to get something straight here. I just want everybody to know I am here as a favor for the pig. I personally, I don't understand how a pig gets the wrong show, but anyway, that's the way things are. Things are funny that the pig gets the wrong show, but I am here as a favor to get the ratings to go up. It wasn't for me, there'd be no ratings on the show, but yeah, well, I was just telling everybody how much I enjoy being on your show. I appreciate very much you letting me be a guest on your show. Thank you.
Is it any wonder why I have booked this man on our show?
Is the commercial over?
Yes, of course. We're at the show now.
I'm not asking who cut the cheese. I'm asking who got the cheese. The chicken wings from Kentucky Fried. Hoop-de-hoo, hoop-de-die. Mr. McKay. Okay, where are we? Medley. Okay, let's bring it on home. That's life. That's what people say. You're flying high in April, shot down in May. But I don't let it get me down. 'Cause this whole world keeps on spinning around. Like being a puppet, a pauper, a pirate, a poet, a pawn. And I mean, I've been up and down and over and out. But I know I'm mean. Each time I find myself try and say goodbye one more time. And if I thought it was you I was right, I roll myself up in a big ball and die.